Today is the second day of Chhat Puja, Kharna, a day when devotees fast the entire day without food, without water, and wait for the moon to rise. Why? Because this day is not about hunger, it's about trust. Why? Because this day is not about hunger, it's about trust. It's about believing that the moon will rise and that your efforts will one day bring results. Karna teaches us one of life's most powerful lessons. You don't always wins by speed. Sometimes you win by patience. Every ritual in Chhat Puja has a meaning. Nahai Khai taught us purity. Kharna teaches us self control. The long fasting hours show that discipline isn't about pain, it's about peace. In today's fast world, everyone wants instant results, instant fame, instant success. But the truth is, what comes fast fades fast, and what grows slowly stays stronger forever. Karna reminds us to slow down, to wait, to grow from within. Once in a small village near the river, there was a farmer named Gopal. Every year he performed Chhat Puja. One year drought hit his land. The crops dried. His money was gone, and even food was scarce. His wife asked, "Will you still keep the fast this year?" He smiled and said, "If I lose faith now, what will I have left?" That year, he fasted the whole day under the burning sun. No food, no water, just faith. When the moon rose, he offered water to it, his eyes full of tears, not because of hunger but gratitude. The next morning, unexpected rain blessed his land. His crops revived. People said, "It's a miracle." But Gopal said, "No, it's the result of my patience." That's Kharna, waiting with belief. You may not be a farmer, but your life also has a drought, a time when nothing seems to work, when dreams feel delayed. But remember, every fast, every pause, every waiting period is a test of your energy. Maybe your time hasn't come yet, or maybe you are still being prepared for it. Chhat Puja reminds us, don't break your fast of faith before your moon of success rises. The one who waits with trust wins with grace. There was a girl named Meera who loved dancing. She joined contests every year but always lost. Her friends told her to give up, but she remembered her mother's words during Chhat Puja. Even the sun waits for the perfect time to rise. Never rush your destiny. Meera practiced quietly without validation. For 3 years, nothing happened, but she kept her karma. Fasting from doubt, Kharna. Fasting from doubt, feeding on hope. In her fourth year, she got her break, a big stage, bright lights. When she performed, people cried. Later, when asked her secret, she said, "My art grew during the waiting." That's the strength of Karna. Patience doesn't delay your success, it depends it. When the moon appears, the fast is broken. But think deeply. The moon doesn't rise faster because we were hungry. It rises when you wait, want them to. But when you want them to, but when you are ready for them. So instead of asking, when will it happen? Ask yourself, am I prepared for it when it does? Because when preparation meets patience, miracles happen. Just like Gopal's ray, just like Mira's dance, just like the moon's glow after darkness. Tonight, as you look at the moon, remember this. Your journey is scarce. Your waiting is not wasted. Every second of your patience is shaping your strength. And when your moon finally appears, it will shine brighter because you waited with faith. So keep believing, keep working, keep fasting from doubt.